everybody, I'm Cheryl Hamilton, and today I want to show you how to make a double pocket card. So here's the one I've made. It has two pockets here. I think in the front I would probably put a gift card, or you could put a little tag or something like that. And then the back I've made just a little card. Oops, stuck a little card to write your note on. Okay, so I think this is a fun design, and stay tuned and I'll show you how to put this together. Today I'm going to show you how to make a double pocket card, and I'm using this really pretty paper called Modern Christmas Specialty Designer Series paper. I'll just show you a few of the patterns in here. It's got this beautiful gold. I like the fa la la, but it's got gorgeous gold on the papers, as you can see. So it's just stunning, really pretty. And I've chosen one. I think to make this card, it's better to make to choose a paper that's non-directional, and you do have to start with 12 by 12 Designer Series papers. So for this card, I'm starting at 8 inches. Oops. I'm going to make it 8 by 10.5. And yes, it is hard to cut this paper, but I'm going to do it. So here's my paper I'm starting with. You're folding in half long ways. Just burnish your fold with your bone folder and then turn and fold in half again. And burnish your fold. Okay. Now I'm going to unfold it, and I'm going to make a cut from the side to the center. You can use your scissors. I'm going to go ahead and just use my paper trimmer. And to use my trimmer, I'm putting the score line right into the groove there where it's going to cut. And instead of cutting from here to there, I might overcut it. I'm going to put my trimmer right where that score line is and just cut up like that. Now I have the cut on the left side. I'm going to fold this bottom right corner totally up to the score line, so it's really even with that. Next, I'm going to go to this top left corner. I'm folding this piece down so that it's about 1.5 inches. But you don't have to be exact at all, but it has, from the tip to the fold line, it's about 1.5 inches. And then I'm going to fold this piece over to the other side. Now I'm going to take the bottom left piece, just put it under the right piece and fold it. And then I'm going to take the right the right corner on the bottom and just fold it on top of this triangle. Try to get it even with that. Okay, you're almost done here, and then you're just going to fold it right up there, and that makes your double pocket card. Just like that. Now when you add your adhesive, you're going to want to add some right here. You can either use tear and tape or your multi-purpose liquid adhesive. Add some right there to help it to stick. And then on this side, you're going to add it right there and right here and fold it up, and that will get it all stuck together. And then to finish this card, I've cut a piece of basic black that is, let me see, 5.5 by 4 1/4, and I'm going to end up gluing it onto there just to have a little bit of a little border around there. Okay, I finished up my card by just making this pretty circle here, cutting gold foil with Spotlight on Nature dies, and then I cut a circle from the same paper that I've been using here. I think it's Modern Christmas. The star is from Ornamental Christmas. I've just popped it up on there with a little tiny dimensional. And for the back pocket, I'd like to put an insert in. I've cut the black cardstock 3.5 inches by 4 3/4 inches. And then for the top of it, I cut white cardstock 3 1/4 inches by 4.5 inches. Before I glued them together, I went ahead and stamped this image. The bow is from Christmas Greenery stamp set, and it looks kind of neat when you put something in the corner like that. And then I've just cut the fa-la-las because I told you I like that, a little strip of that across. So there's my card. Isn't that pretty? I hope you guys give this a try. And just to let you know before I go, you still have a little bit of time to sign up for my October creative card class. All the supplies will be cut and prepped for you so that you can make 4 really pretty cards. So this is one of them. It's a pop out card that I really love. Also this one with these pretty trees. And there's a red and gold one. It's actually Poppy Parade. And finally, a card that it lays flat for mailing, but then the recipient is able to just remove this ornament and hang it on their tree. So I really like that one too. For $48, you will get everything prepped for the 4 cards. You get a 1/4 package of gold foil, half a package of these large gold hoops, so it's like 5 of them, so you can make more ornaments. A 1/4 of a pack of this beautiful designer series paper that's called Modern Christmas, and a package of this black and white and gold baker's twine. It's really pretty. So you'll get all that, but if you'd like, you can just purchase the PDFs for $15. So I hope you guys sign up this month and join me in this. And thanks again, everyone, for following along. I hope you all get a chance to make this double pocket card. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. Aloha.